the key insights and takeaways. So number one, make sure you familiarize yourself with GA4 features, the differences between universal analytics, all those engagement metrics, first click attribution, and custom alerts. Turn on Google Signals to ensure that you've got demographic interest details and engaged view video conversions. Try out the new Explorer section for funnel and path analysis. And as Tom mentioned, you can export that raw data in GA4 free properties now to BigQuery. So you can slice and dice it the way you want to. And don't forget to change the event expiry date from 2 months to 40 months to ensure that you don't lose any data.
Follow us. We always post these tips and things like this, and of course, webinars on our socials, on LinkedIn for AutoSync, Moto Insight, Traffic, and T Advantage, on YouTube for Moto Insight and Traffic, and on TikTok for Traffic. And then you can also reach out to Brian as well. His email's there, brian@brianpasch.com.